Hello my friend, I want to share with you today 8 ways to make money with Crypto.com, some of which are free, others require an investment, some of them are passive, others are more active, but nonetheless they are great methods to make money. I've been using all 8 of them and I'm really pleased with the results. That's why I really need to share this with you. If you don't already know about Crypto.com, you should know that this is a company that is bringing cryptocurrency to the mainstream by making it easy for anyone to earn, trade, borrow, and pay in crypto. They are really doing a great job. They are mostly known for its MCO Visa card, which offers up to 10% cashback paid in cryptocurrency. That's a very hard offer to beat. And this company is fast growing since 2017. If you are not already, you should be part of this community as well. They have 2 coins, 2 tokens, the Crypto.com token or CRO and the MCO token. You can see that the CRO token is ranked 9 and the MCO token is ranked 108. Both of them have utility in the company, in the application, and I'm going to share later with you what this utility is. And I'm going to start with the first method of earning on Crypto.com. By the way, this list is not meant to be in a particular order, only the order that it was more comfortable to me to present it to you and which made more sense to show you. So the first one that I want to share with you is the Crypto Earn program, where you can earn interest on your crypto and stable coins. So what's with this Crypto Earn program? Well, you'll deposit your funds in the application, and based on what plan you choose, you'll be able to earn up to 8% on cryptocurrency and 12% on stable coins. So you either add your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, or any other coin that you want in the application, and you can earn interest on that, or you can exchange your dollars into a stable coins. Stable coins are digital assets that are one-to-one pegged to a dollar. So $100 equals 100 of stable coins, and they'll always have the same value. And for these deposited coins, you'll earn interest weekly. So if you earn 12% per year for a stable coin, that means you'll earn 1% per month, or 0.25% will be added in your account every week. I've been using Crypto Earn in the past 6 to 7 months and I'm really pleased with it. I already earned over $130 out of it and earning constantly. The interest that you receive depends on a lot of factors, as you can see from these images here. And to briefly explain to you, when you first open the app, right away you'll be able to earn 2% per year for cryptocurrencies. That means you can deposit your cryptocurrencies and you can take it whenever you want it back from the application, and for those coins you'll receive 2% interest per year. That's what is called a flexible plan. You'll deposit the coins and you can take them out whenever you want. But if you want to lock the coins in the application for 1 month or for 3 months, you receive increased interest, 4% and 6% respectively. If instead of cryptocurrency you choose to deposit stable coins, like I said before, one-to-one digital assets pegged to US dollar, then for the flexible plan you'll have 6% per year, and for 1 month and 3 months you'll have 8 or 10% per year. If you want to deposit the Crypto.com token and earn interest on that, you can receive up to 16% per year if you lock them up for 3 months. Now, if you want 2% increased interest on all these plans, you'll have to stake 500 MCO or more. To stake, it means to lock up your funds into the application for a period of time, and for MCO you'll have to stake these 500 coins for 6 months. If you stake 500 MCO, which means which today it's about $2,000, if you lock these funds into the application for 6 months, then you'll be able to receive 2% more interest on all the Crypto Earn plans, 6% interest per year for your MCO stake, and also you get access to a premium debit card, which I'll talk about more a bit later. A second way to earn money with Crypto.com is from Cashback, and you'll earn cashback for every purchase that you make with their debit card. Crypto.com, they're mostly known for their MCO debit card. Like I said before, you have to freeze some MCO in your account for 6 months in order to get different benefits, and depending on how many MCO you stake, you receive a higher tier card and more benefits. They also have a free card which is made out of plastic, not of metal, and the only benefit there is that you receive 1% cashback on it. To my knowledge, they haven't shipped this card yet, so it may take a while until you get access to this card. I wanted to receive this card and test it out first before I upgraded, and there's been 6 months since I applied for it and I didn't get it. That's why I applied for a higher tier card. You can see from the image here the different benefits that you get from the different cards, but the sweet spot is the 50 MCO Ruby card, for which you will have to stake 50 MCO, which today it's around $200. And for this card specifically, you'll get 2% cashback and 100% Spotify rebate. So if you lock $200 in the application for 6 months, which by the way, after 6 months you can get your money back. In this period, in these 6 months, you get 78 USD rebate for Spotify. If you sign up using my referral code and order this card, you receive 50 USD back as a sign-up bonus. And you can only receive that with a referral code. And if you spend at least $600 with this card every month, that means you receive $72 from cashback. So in 6 months, you can actually double your investment, $200 from the benefits and $200 that you locked into the application. That in case the MCO price doesn't go lower, but it can also go higher. After 6 months, if you want, you can unstake the coins if you are not pleased with the service, but I don't know why you do that. Most probably you'll want to upgrade and not unstake the coins. The MCO debit card works even better with the Curve card. So the Curve debit card is actually a debit card that is associated with the Curve app, where you can add all your cards and just use only the Curve card to pay whichever card you want. So if you combine this Curve card with the MCO debit card, then you can enable Google, Apple and Samsung Pay. And also I noticed that you get the 2% cashback when you withdraw money from the Curve card. So the MCO card and the Curve card go very well together, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can sign up with the Curve card as well. Now, if 2% wasn't good enough, Crypto.com increased rebates for food, groceries and delivery, which means you'll be able to get up to 10% cashback when you buy from these companies listed here, and most probably at least one of these shops are present in your local area, and you'll be able to get 10% cashback when you use your card at these companies. But you should know that this is capped at $50 per month. As I mentioned before, you receive $50 when you sign up with Crypto.com and order the Ruby card. But the reward goes both ways, which means that you get $50 when you sign up, but also the person that invited you also gets $50. So the campaign goes like this. If you invite your friends to join Crypto.com and order the Ruby card, then you both get $50 worth of MCO. It's free to refer. You only have to convince your friends to apply for the Ruby card, and even though they signed up in the past 10 days without a referral code, they can still add your referral code into the application. They'll just have to go to the application, goes to settings, and then enter your referral code. So in case you signed up with Crypto.com in the past 8 days and you didn't use a referral code, be sure to go to your app settings and enter my referral code. When you order the Ruby card, you'll get the $50 in MCO. And if you don't have a Crypto.com account yet, go and get the application, sign up and use my referral code, and you'll be able to benefit the same. A fourth method to make money with Crypto.com is actually to invest, to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. At its core, Crypto.com is a place where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So it's only natural to use the application to invest in your favorite crypto and sell it when the price goes up. Not all coins are available, but you'll find the ones that matter. So you can go ahead and buy your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, or any other coin with no fees, but as with any other investment, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. However, Crypto.com is the main crypto exchange where I buy my cryptocurrency right now, and since there's no credit card purchase fee, I can easily buy more crypto whenever I have the funds. A fifth way to earn money with Crypto.com is to use their pay rewards. And pay rewards include gift cards, phone top-ups, and sending CRO to other people. So basically you'll get rewarded for using the CRO token in case you want to buy a cheaper gift card, or you want to top up your phone, or you need to send money to your friend. So all you have to do is to buy the CRO token from within the app with a credit card. Use that CRO token to either buy a gift card or top up your phone or send money to a friend, and you'll get CRO cashback in return. For gift cards, you can get from 1.25 up to 20% cashback. All you have to do is to have CRO in your account and buy the gift card from the application, and then you'll get cashback on that purchase. Then you'll get the gift card, go to the shop and use it there. There are gift cards for over 300 brands in 30 countries from 3,100 shops, and depending on your location, the offer of gift cards can vary. You just have to go into the application and check what offers are available. But also due to the pandemic, until September at least, they have increased cashback for food and groceries. For example, I found Chipotle in USA to have a 20% cashback if you stake CRO. I'll talk more about CRO staking a bit later, but it basically means you'll buy CRO and lock it up in the application for 3 to 6 months in order to get double discount from gift cards. A lot of other popular brands for gift cards are available, like Airbnb, Burger King, Whole Foods, PlayStation, GameStop, and like I said before, it depends on your country you are in. Like I said before, you can also receive cashback if you top up your phone with CRO. You can get 2.5% cashback with no CRO stake, or you can get 5% cashback with CRO stake. You just have to go into the application, check mobile airtime, and then you see what operators are available there. Also, if you have CRO staked, you can earn up to $5 per month just by sending CRO to a friend. You get 10% cashback on CRO transfers. So if you have a friend that also uses Crypto.com app, just send them 3,500 CRO and ask them to send it back right away, and you get yourself $5 in that process. There are a lot more benefits for staking CRO, and this is a serious method to get money out of this application. All you have to do is to buy the CRO token, lock it up in the application for 3 to 6 months, and earn from the benefits this process provides. The minimum amount of CRO you can stake is 5,000, which is about $730 right now. And you'll have to do this in the earn section of the application, and you have to lock it there for 3 months, meaning you won't be able to withdraw it within these 3 months. And for this, you'll get 60% per year interest on your staked CRO, double the cashback on gift cards and phone top-ups, and also 10% cashback when sending CRO to friends, up to $5 per month, just like I told you before. If you are willing to stake 10,000 CRO, which is about $1,460 right now, then you will have to lock it up in the Crypto.com exchange, which is only available on the computer, not on the phone. Then you'll get 20% per year interest on the staked CRO. You'll also enable participation in the Syndicate events, which are coin listings on the Crypto.com exchange. But when you participate in these events, you'll be able to get a small amount of new coins at a discount, usually 25 to 50%. So basically free money. You also get cheaper transaction fees on Crypto.com exchange, and also the double cashback on gift cards and phone top-ups, as well as 10% cashback when sending CRO to friends, up to $5 per month. Like I mentioned before, if you stake 10,000 CRO on the Crypto.com exchange, you are eligible for the Syndicate events. Whenever a new coin is listed on the Crypto.com exchange, they have these events where they offer the coins at discounted prices, usually 20 or 50% off. Depending on how much you are willing to invest, you receive more or less of the discounted coins. For example, the lowest tier requires 10,000 CRO staked, and you will need extra 7,000 CRO to subscribe to the event. At the end of the event, which takes 2 days, you receive back the discounted coins, plus the CRO that was not used to buy discounted coins. When you subscribe 5,000 CRO, you can expect only around 2% to be used to buy discounted coins. The rest of CRO will be refunded back to you. So with 10,000 CRO staked and 7,000 CRO subscribed to the event, you can expect around $17 return. These events used to happen every 2 weeks, but now it looks like they are weekly. So $17 every week for 2 minutes of your time. When you subscribe 7,000 CRO to the event, it means you are willing to buy discounted coins up to this amount. These events are always oversubscribed, which means people are willing to buy a lot of coins, but there is only a certain allocation for the particular coin that is listed. As you can see from the image, the allocation for NEO, which is the next listing, is 500,000 USD. People usually want to buy more than that, and the last one was 65x oversubscribed. And then what happens is that you only get a portion of discounted coins. And even so, that means around 1.5 to 2% return on average every week, which means 78 to over 100% per year, which makes these events very, very profitable. But also, to maximize your profits, you can get the refunded CRO and put it in a flexible plan in the application, where you can earn 12% per year on your CRO tokens, Until the next Syndicate event, when you take them out from the flexible plan, subscribe for the event, wait for it to end, get the refunded CRO, put it again in a flexible plan, rinse and repeat, and this is how you can maximize the profits from this Syndicate event along with CRO staking. Are you waiting for Bitcoin price to drop to 8,000 before you buy? Or maybe you have money sitting in a crypto exchange waiting on that opportunity? Well, on Crypto.com exchange, those funds that you keep there waiting can earn interest and you can withdraw them anytime. This is what is called soft staking, and you can earn interest on pending orders. So if you have funds in the Crypto.com exchange, in an order or not, you can enable to receive interest on those coins. Stable coins like USDT or USDC receive 2% per year interest just by sitting in the exchange balance, but you must hold at least 200 of them. All the coins supported by the Crypto.com exchange are subject to this soft staking, and interest is lower than 2%, but that's more than any bank or other crypto exchange will offer you. As you can see, there are money-making opportunities for everyone. Passive, active, with investment, without investment. I just love this company and the money-making opportunities it offers us. Of course, nothing is perfect and no investment is risk-free. We just have to make sure the benefits are worth the risk. That's why I want to bring up some risks when you are using these opportunities. So this is not financial advice. I'm just here to educate you and present you my experiences. So it's your full responsibility to choose whatever investment you want to make. But from my experience, I can give you some recommendations. For example, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. This is especially true with cryptocurrency. Make sure you don't pull all your eggs in one basket and diversify your investments. I use all the products that Crypto.com has to offer, but it's just a part of my portfolio. You don't have to use all the products. Start with one that you like and you are most comfortable with. Also, the great incentives they are offering, they are clearly for marketing purposes to attract a lot of new clients in. The rewards are great, the increased interests are great, the cashback is great, but we don't know how long this will keep going. They are very successful at bringing new clients in, but there is no way to know for how long they are going to keep up these incredible benefits. I guess with time they will diminish because nothing lasts forever. Whenever you choose to invest in a product offered by Crypto.com or any other company for that matter, you must trust that they are doing a legal, honest business. I used Crypto.com for the past 7 months and I have no reason to believe that they are doing anything but a legal, honest business. But this is a risk that we should take in consideration. If something happens to the company, if it goes down, you might lose your investments. Make sure you diversify and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Now, specifically to Crypto.com, unfortunately, they cannot keep up with the new clients coming in. And this is the biggest drawback in my opinion, because they are doing so well at attracting new customers, the customer support can't keep up and it takes a long time for them to answer. The good news is that the company is aware of the issue and is doubling down on growing their support team. Until then, your best bet to get support is to contact them on Reddit or Telegram. Just keep away from scammers. If you need, you can always ask me first, and I'll help you out with the best answer or directions I can give you. In my opinion, the second drawback of Crypto.com is how fast they deliver the debit cards. The demand is high and delivery time varies from country to country. You'll have to be patient. The higher the card tier, the higher the chance of receiving it faster. This was a brief presentation of the 8 methods I use to make money on Crypto.com. In my next videos, I'm going to go through all of these products and explain them in detail and how to maximize profits. If you'd like to see that, make sure to subscribe and get notified right away. Don't forget to sign up using my referral code and we both get $50 when you stake 50 MCO and order your Ruby card. That's all I have for you today. I'll see you in the next one.